Hi, it's Dean for XIAOMI 13 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box. So this is the USB Type-C cable and the charger, the original XIAOMI adapter with all of the specs. So let's check another accessories in this paper box. This is the SIM eject tool. Some paper works like the quick start guide, the safety information, and the warranty card. And also we got here the silicone protective case. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.